G'day, g'day. I had lunch with a mate of mine, Adam, the other day, and it sort of inspired me to do a quick little video on a topic that I think is close to a lot of our hearts. Adam and I were talking over lunch, and he said to me, "Mate, I've got a couple of mates who are probably in need of some help, and I just don't know how to broach it with them and how to sort of suggest that they come and see you or someone like you." And then I guess the work that I've been doing with Trademark over the past year is the same as well. It's that how do you have a conversation about mental health, because so many people such a huge misunderstanding of it. So sitting there chatting with Dad, I said to him, "Mate, you've been seeing me. You've been having some sessions with me. So that's the perfect intro. It's ring one of the boys up. So let's go for a beer down the pub or something like that. Let's catch up. And when you meet up and he will inevitably say to you, 'Hey, how are you doing?' It's a perfect moment for you to create this space and to go, you know what, to be honest, I'm doing okay now, but a couple of weeks ago, I was in struggle town a bit, or my business was going a few different directions, and I was just very uncertain and unsure. So I reached out and I started chatting to this Nick bloke. And what we've done is I've used him as a sounding board. He hasn't told me what to do. He's just given me some suggestions and reflected what I am doing, and just sort of played around with a few things. And opening that space happens by creating some vulnerability, and that's the big key components of this. None of us like being told what to do. Like, "Hey mate, you should go and see Nick, or you should go and get some help, or you really need some help." Excuse me. As soon as you say go and get some help to a bloke, what's going to happen? No, he's going to shut up shop. So talking about your own experience starts planting these seeds in their mind, and they start putting themselves in that story and in that position, and they start thinking, "Oh, maybe I should reach out. Maybe I should get some help. Maybe I should go and talk to someone." Because the reality is, all of us at some stage in life struggle. God, I talk to my clients all the time about it, and vulnerability is the way that I really build rapport with my clients. Conventional therapy says don't talk too much about yourself as a practitioner, but I've got far too much lived experience. It'd be a shame not to share what I've learned from all of that. So, this time is really, really hard for a lot of people. The stress and pressure of Christmas can be overwhelming and daunting for people, and they just bury their head in the sand and just try and get through. And unfortunately, some people don't get through. So, if you really want to help a loved one, a friend, family member, a colleague at work, whoever it may be, don't just tell them to go and see someone. Create that space. Be a bit vulnerable yourself. So, this is what I did. This is my story, and just leave it there, because if they are in need, if they are hurting enough, it will help them to go, all right, cool, I'm going to see some as well. So, hopefully a little bit of assistance for you to then go and help other people. If you feel it's important to, please share this video around and get some people learning how to create that space, how to be vulnerable, and how to help people through that vulnerability. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and look forward to a big 2019. Cheers.